its second term and the first term is minus 3. Determine its seventh term. Okay, see the solution. First term is nothing but a1 equals to minus 3. The fourth term is square of its second term. So square of its second term. So a2 square. What is a for formula in geometry series? A into r power 3. A2 value a into r square. A into r. A2 is nothing but a into r power 2. So a into r power 3 equals to a square r square. One a get cancelled. One a cancel. Next one. Here r square, here one r square cancels, so r equals to a. But we know that a value minus 3, so r equals to minus 3. Now we will find seventh term. So a7. Now we will find a7. A7 is nothing but a into r power 6. Here the value of a is minus 3. R is also minus 3 power 6. So minus 3 power 6 value how much? Write minus 3 6 times. First minus power even is plus. 3 power 6 value 729. Okay, now minus multiply with 3 with 729. 3 9s are 27. 2 3 2s are 6. 2 plus 6 plus 2 is 8. 3 7s are 21. So a7 equals to minus 2187. Which term of the sequence root 3 root 3 is 729. Okay, see, this series of 729 is a term of. Okay, write given series first. Root 3 root 3 so on. Okay, 729. Here say a1 is root 3. Root 3 a1 and a2 equals to 3 so on. This is the term say an. 729. Now we will find the value of n. Okay. So first find the common ratio. R equals to a2 by a1. A2 by a1. A2 value 3 by root 3. 3 by root 3 value root 3. 3 by root 3 value root 3. Now we will find an. What is the nth term formula? Nth term formula an. Actually first part is given an value 729. So nth term formula a into r power n minus 1 equals to 729. A value root 3 into r value also root 3 power, okay, n minus 1 equals to 729. Okay, now see, this is the form a power m into a power n. So here nothing is there. Here a power 1 not. So a power m into a power n of the cavity a power m plus n equals to 729. How to write 729? In factors of 3 2 are 6. 3 4 are 3 3 are 3 8 are 3 1 are 3 27 times 3 9 times 3 times, so 3 power 6. So root 3 power here 1 minus 1 cancel, n equals to again 3 can be written as root 3 whole square. 3 can be written as root 3 square root cancel then 3. So power how much is there? 6 is there. Okay, next. So root 3 power n. Root 3 power n equals to, this is the form a power m into a power n. So a power m times n, 2 into 6. So root 3 power n equals to root 3 power 12. So a power m equals to a power n. So n equals to 12. So yeah, 12th term of the series is 729.